This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. J.P. Morgan Chase was discussing a deal that would increase fivefold its offer for Bear Stearns companies, a $10 a share offer. The Fed, which would need to approve any change in the agreement, was balking at the new price. Such opposition could postpone the new agreement or derail it entirely. Other news today, a record plunge in prices of existing homes produced only a modest increase in sales in February. The National Association of Realtors reported that sales by homeowners rose 2.9% in February to an annual pace of 5.03 million. The median home price nationwide dropped below the $200,000 mark. Bank of America could tally a $6.5 billion provision in the first quarter to cover potential losses in its home equity and mortgage portfolios. But analysts believe the bank will still report a profit when it releases its next quarterly result. It's coming up April 21st. For the first time in 13 years, those who trade currencies say confidence in the markets to determine exchange rates is declining. The crisis that may bring the so-called Group of Seven nations to coordinated intervention is a result of a sinking U.S. economy, the weakest dollar since 1971, and the biggest currency fluctuations this decade. Standard & Poor's Rating Services revised its outlook on Goldman Sachs and Lehman Brothers to negative from stable, saying that net revenue could decline between 20 and 30% this year after write-downs. The Lundberg survey says the national average price for gasoline rose 7 cents over the last couple of weeks. The average price of self-serve regular gas on Friday was $3.26 a gallon, mid-grade $3.38, premium $3.50. Scheduled economic reports coming out on Tuesday include the retail chain index for the week of March 22nd and consumer confidence for March. In earnings today, Tiffany said its fourth quarter earnings fell almost 16%, hurt partly by loans made to a diamond company, but adjusted results beat analyst expectations on strong international results. Walgreens says earnings increased 5% to $685.9 million, or 69 cents a share, and Hastings Entertainment said its fiscal fourth quarter profit rose 14%, helped by lower cost. Earnings scheduled for Tuesday include Jabil Circuits, Kirkland's, American Medical Alert, and Targeted Genetics Corporation. Some of the stocks in the news today include Electronic Arts Chief Financial Officer Warren Jensen will be leaving that company, although he will remain to help with fiscal year-end financial reports, as well as the executive transition. CIT Group is in talks with overseas banks to obtain funding for its core lending business. And News Corp's chairman, Rupert Murdoch, has made a bid to buy Tribune Company's Newsday. And that is the Market Wrap on this Monday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.